Okay. Well, hey there. Good morning. Today's a cool day because I am officially going to be off the bank. That's right. I will be able to, hopefully, if I don't drown or any other issues, I will hopefully be floating and fishing from a small body of water today on my new kayak. Just picked this up the other day. There'll be more on it on another video if you haven't seen one already. Remember to like and subscribe and to put on your notifications so you can see when that'll happen. I've just been putting this stuff together, and you all know this pond here. My friends have been kind enough to let me do my maiden voyage on this pond, and since it's got tons of reeds and it got a lot of water, could be some good fishing. I think the biggest part for me today is just making sure I don't drown. So I do have safety equipment. We're getting that all together. We're going to wheel it down to this side, and let's see how we do. Okay, we're learning. Okay. That's a lot of work. The thing's 120 pounds just by itself. And we're gonna have another issue. If you can see, water's down, so we're down 2 feet easy. So I can't just get in so simply. Getting out's gonna be a chore too, without stepping in that ick. That ought to be fun. So I may have to put it in and come in sideways and see where we're at. All right, I'm gonna switch over to the chest cam. Well, here goes nothing. So, little word of advice, always remember to make a list and bring the things you need. Because I already forgot my rope that I bought specific for here so that you can make sure your kayak doesn't go away from the shore. I did have this here that I used as a tie down, so we're gonna put this here on the front end for now and see if that'll work. The biggest thing here is me not falling in, which is highly likely that I'm going to do that, and I'm not liking that idea. Also, I don't want to sink that bottom. I thought about just getting in and just trying to rock it a little bit. I just see myself pushing that bottom in to the water a little bit too much. So we're gonna get her in here and see what happens. Nice and easy. See, that's so wobbly right there. There we are. All right, there's some steel bottom. I just don't know if that'll work well. I got a couple rocks that I might be able to stand on and see what's going on here. All right, let's see if we can turn it this way a little bit. Reach over. One of the things I probably should have done is grab the paddle. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, this is very... Oh, we're in. We're in. We're in. We are officially off the bank, ladies and gentlemen. Officially. Now, part of this trip is just to get on the water, but I figure while I'm here, I'm gonna do some fishing. Grab some basic essentials, threw them in here. Grabbed a couple fishing rods and poles, and I'm already stuck, so this is gonna suck. Might as well try to do this while I'm here. I also bought a special rod holder, a paddle holder, so that I didn't have to worry about this. Woo, okay, let's see where we're at here. We're hooked. Okay, bought all kinds of accessories and gadgets, and they're on their way. And we'll do some video on that, I suppose, when that comes. But today is a let's not drown day, and see if we can make this happen. All right, so we're gonna throw this in here. Got my foot pedals. I brought a little net just to see what it's like. Okay, so I'm a big fella. It rocks pretty good, but I'm still up, still doing my thing. I should be able to boat flip everything, but I just wanted to see what it would be like to catch one with this, you know, try it out, but we'll see. All right, here goes nothing. And the other part is making sure I don't crash into the reeds. Okay, here we are. It does seem to rock a lot while we're pedaling, but alright, we're out here. I wish I had my my pole holder, but I did bring this to attach it in the event that I flipped or it fell off. Then it won't go anywhere for sure. And yeah, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Okay, so here we are. First cast. Alrighty. Got junk. Oh, fell off. See if we can get this thing to swim right. I can see coasting. I barely touched that thing and I'm still going backwards. Yeah, this is going to take some getting used to. I'm definitely not used to any of this. I feel completely nervous. Oh, it looks like this is messed up. Might have to retie this thing on. And I just got out here. Goodness gracious. We were using this yesterday And I guess that one fish, there we go. There we go. I'm actually nervous out here, dudes. This is making me nervous. There we go. All right, back to fishing. So we know this catches them. That's good. I think there's some more under there. I wonder if we could try another rod. See, I'm already turning. There's only a little bit of breeze here, and that's not what I want. But now we're going to try something fun. We're going to try and switch rods and see what happens. Mostly because I knocked the frog off the other one here, and I want to, all right, pull this one up here. Oh yeah, we could. All right, that wasn't terrible. Everything's in there. What we're gonna do, we could do some pitching. I can tell you right now, they say this is a stand-up kayak. Fat boy here is not gonna stand up. That's not happening. I'm trying to figure out how. I keep moving. I guess it's even the slightest wind. And you guys can comment on better techniques. Let me know. Is it a technique, or is it just feel your way and figure it out? Because that's what it seems like to me. All right. Let's try jigging a little bit here. Oh, goodness. Really? I don't think I can pitch that far from here, but it's okay. Oh, you got kidding me. Oh, yeah, he's still there. Just fast. Just very fast. All right. Oh, he gone. He gone. Let's check that trailer. Doing pretty good, but I knew there might be something. The water's up a little bit since before. It's not up the greatest, but now I see why I'm moving. Okay, I'm learning. Because when I had that catch before, that little bit of energy that fish had, this kayak took with it. So yeah, I see you're going to move pretty easily, and when I lean, it seems to do that too. So all right, well, oh, we're out. Good. That fish just came running out this way. So that's something I'm sure that most fishermen who have worked on, live on, or used a boat know. Oh, that was probably just brush. No, it's a fish. No, he came back to get it. I didn't hook that good. So, where was my train of thought? Is learning what the fish do, the pattern that they do. From shore, when you hook one, you're just reeling them into you already, so you don't know where they go. Or I just noticed he's taking off to the deep. So he's coming towards me, I gotta reel a lot faster. And that of course starts making sense when you talk about rod speeds and so on and so forth. So that's kind of cool that, you know, I'm learning these small things right all in this little first half hour on the water. That's kind of neat. So yeah, definitely would like that paddle holder, but I see how this definitely can make a difference. Oh, look at that. We're pitching. Oh, you kidding me? Got another one. Oh yeah, stay down. Stay down. him good. There we are. Got another one. I hope that this buckle doesn't keep getting in there, but all right. Look at the little fish there. Boom, we're back in. We're back in business, baby. What is that, 3, 4 fish already? And all because I can get to them? All right, I'm not unhappy about this at all. This is kind of cool. I hit that right in them reeds where I thought I would. Just doing some pitching. Not far enough. But now I got, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Shoot. Something grabbed that already. This is cool. Oh boy. Here to moo cows. Saying, what are you doing? Old man, you shouldn't be out there. Old fat guy, you shouldn't be out there. I'm in a little pond, so I'm not so nervous about, I mean, if I fall in, it's gonna suck, but I can get to shore. It's fairly shallow right here. It's 12 feet deep somewhere in here, but man, being way out there somewhere, I guess you just got to get used to it. If you guys want to comment for me, help me figure out how you did it the first time, how you felt, that would be amazing to know I'm not going crazy thinking about this. Ooh, there you go. Definitely different when trying to figure out where to put this rod. And these are small, man. I can't imagine catching a giant one in here without... There you go. I don't think I've caught this much fish here in forever. And all because the water's up and I can get to it. All right, we're gonna get this thing back on the land, and then I gotta tow it up that hill. That's gonna suck. I don't know if you'd mind if I brought my truck all the way over here and did it. Power slide. Okay, here we are. I'm going to push the pole this way, jam myself onto the rocks a little bit. All right, I'm going to use this to stand up. Oh, that stinks so bad. We're on a farm property though, so that's why. All right, here comes the terrible part. Gotta get on the land. All right. Oh, I'm gonna do a split. I can feel it. I can do a split. Oh, we got. That sucked, but we did it. Terribly, but we did it. All right, I'm gonna bring this up here. All right. We made it. We made it. Goodness gracious. Well, we made it. Our first trip, I guess we'll say it's successful. I didn't drown. I didn't fall off. Learned some things, and especially learned this thing's heavy. And had a good time. Caught a bunch of fish. Do me a favor, subscribe. Comment for me. Tell me what I need. Accessories, tips, techniques, anything. All you kayakers, boaters out there, that'd be very helpful. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have some items on this, and we're gonna go do some different fishing. probably some snakehead and bass fishing over across the Bay Bridge. So stay tuned, put your notifications on, and happy fishing.